Cucumber and peanut salad. Prepare the ingredients. Cut 2 cucumbers into bite-sized pieces and place into a large bowl. Thinly slice 3 handfuls of oyster mushrooms. Slice 1 red chilli. Heat a frying pan over a high heat. Add the peanuts and cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add the peanuts to the bowl of cucumbers. Heat a frying pan over a high heat, add the black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. As soon as they begin to pop, add the oyster mushrooms. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of raw sugar. Add the sliced red chilies. Stir, then add to the bowl of cucumbers. Roughly tear 1 handful of cilantro and add to the bowl and mix well. To serve, place the salad onto a serving platter, squeeze over the juice of half a lime, sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste, and serve.